to increase productivity through Life360? Well, Life360, primarily known as location sharing or for location sharing, can be used to enhance productivity by optimizing time management and reducing communication overhead. Features like place alerts for arrival and departure notifications and location history can help in coordinating schedules and optimizing routes. Furthermore, understanding battery levels and driving summaries can assist in managing daily routines and travel planning as well. The first is you setting up places like home, work, or school allows for automatic notifications when family members arrive or leave, eliminating the need for constant check-in text. Similarly, you can get the real-time location sharing. Knowing where family members are in real time can help with efficient coordination for pickups, drop-offs, and coordination meetings. Example, if a family member is running late, you can check the location on Life360 and adjust your schedule accordingly rather than waiting without knowing their whereabouts. Similarly, you can optimize time management through location history, battery level sharing, and such. Hope this video was helpful. Do like and subscribe as well.